Hey everyone, Tom Gentile. Welcome to Tom's Trading Room, and welcome to what is going to be a very quick market overview coming from Tom'sOptionTools.com. Obviously, you can see up here, free 7-day trial for all of you that are new to us. Check it out. You can get a full trial. This is not a light version. You pick your package. It's the exact same package that you would have with our paid subscriptions. And also, we have paid subscriptions at 50% off the regular price. So check it out, Tom'sOptionTools.com. What you're looking at right now is the S&P 500. I've put this in. Here's the big drop that happened in February. Here's what we're trying to do is kind of have a pullback here. The good news is that volatility has dropped off significantly, and we're at a very interesting resistance area right here using something we call peak charts. All right, if we can get above and close above the 272 level, then my next area is 277 to 278 for resistance. The bond market, we're taking a look at TLT. It has been dropping now for the better part of the last couple months. Now, I'm showing you this because if you take a look here, volatility has gone up. It's back down, but it's starting to spike a little bit. This is just telling us that interest rates are on the rise, all right? And that's not entirely a bad thing, because I like to see traders come out of fixed instruments like bonds and go into instruments like the stock market to indeed try to push that market higher. So up stocks, down bonds, not a big problem. Let's look and see what is happening with foreign currencies. So foreign currencies, I'm going to look at FXE. Now, FXE is the eurodollar. We've seen the eurodollar go from about the mid-teens, all right, 115, up to around 120.5. It has had some trouble getting above 120.5, and it's been sitting now in about, I want to call it about a 3-point trading range going back and forth. This is actually not bad at all for our stock market either, because as long as this thing doesn't get ahead of itself, either to the upside or the downside, it's not going to be a concern. What's happening overseas right now, at least in Europe, is not a big concern for the U.S. stock market. All right? What is a big concern for the U.S. stock market? Take a look at oil. USO. USO, again, had made highs recently in the low 13s. All right, we bounced back with the stock market, but it too has been driving forward and has been a major driving force since February. Since about mid-February, has been moving higher. Now, we recently did a webinar on oil and energy opportunities, and this is exactly what we expected. We were expecting the oil markets and the energy markets to go up and at least make the highs that happened back in January. I think we're actually going to take them out, and you're going to see energy demand soar to new multi-year highs this year. So check out the video we will be putting up really soon on the oil and energy opportunities off of a webinar we did, oh gosh, I want to say just a week or so ago. Finally, two things. So take a look at this next chart. This is gold. This has kind of been a quiet move going on in the gold market right now. And you can see here where we're getting these higher highs and higher lows that are happening as gold just slowly moves higher. And one thing we can do with our charts is if you come down here and we can run this thing called a channel test. So let's see if we can look inside of gold. We can do this with any stock to see what the channels look like. And you can see the channels on gold. We've got our longer-term channel, which is up. Short and intermediate channels have been really kind of sideways to slightly down. However, we're going to be running into some channel consolidation real soon. There's going to be a move in GLD, I think, within the next week or so. And it's either going to punch to the upside and continue to trend, or we could break down. I believe that we're going to see a lot of support come in very close to where we are now, and this could take us up longer term into the low 130s for GLD. Hey, did you know we had cryptocurrency now available on Tom's Option Tools? We do. All you have to do is just go to our stocks page and then come on down to where it says cryptocurrency. You'll see the widgets here, and then you can scroll below and you can see what's going on with Bitcoin, the latest Bitcoin news, etc. This is all now available on Tom'sOptionTools.com, and very soon we will have available for you the money calendar for Bitcoin, as well as other currencies, and the money clock for Bitcoin and other currencies. So be on the lookout for that, guys. Hey, it's Tom Gentile. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.